excellence demonstrated by the candidates in their service to a great nation, it is imperative to note that we only had one position to fill at this particular time. After deliberations this afternoon and careful consideration of the performance of the various candidates who were interviewed for the position of Judge of the Supreme Court, the Commission has today recommended for appointment Honorable Mr. Justice Ouko William Okello, CBS EBS, President of the Court of Appeal, as Judge of the Supreme Court of Kenya, and has submitted his name to His Excellency the President for appointment. We congratulate Honorable Mr. Justice Ouko and we wish him well. As we conclude, the Commission wishes to thank Kenyans and all stakeholders for their participation and support in the recruitment process. Their comments and suggestions are very well taken. I would also like to thank members of the Commission for their hard work and patience throughout the lengthy and grueling process. Commissioners did their work with utmost commitment and determination to exercise their constitutional duty in accordance with the oath of office that they took. The Commission would also like to acknowledge with tremendous gratitude the support from JSC Secretariat, led by the Honorable Anna Madi, Secretary to the Commission, and also Honorable Frida Mokaya, the JSC Registrar, whose administrative support enabled us to run a seamless recruitment exercise. It is our hope that the remaining steps of the selection process for both the Chief Justice and the Judge of the Supreme Court will be concluded soon enough so that they can bring on board the much needed manpower in the Supreme Court and in the leadership of the judiciary. Thank you, and God bless you all.
In the summary of your selection criteria, you have given yourself 7 days registration. And in the case of the CJ, you are able to do that in 1 day, then you conclude the interview and candidate. Why is the necessary purpose to hasten the process?
To hasten the process? Yeah, the position has been vacant for over a year. And as soon as we concluded the process, we didn't see the need for waiting. Thank you.